This is the leg assembly that I'm building. It's going to have 3 cross braces, a top brace with a bridle joint, a a dovetailed center brace, and a half-lapped dovetailed bottom brace. These are going to be fit into a pair of 4x4s with the corresponding mortises cut out and a through tenon on each one. And there will be 2 sets of these. Today it is 98 degrees in the shade. Now, I should point out my mistake here, but it's a mistake that I've justified in my own head, so I'm going to go ahead with it. The overall width of this bench is 24 inches, which is what this is. And in the plans, these stretchers were originally through tenons with drawbore pegs. And I cut them to be half laps. You can see it in the drawing. And that's the mistake. Yay. However, if I can avoid cutting any more through tenons than I have to, I'm going to do that. That way when I cut down to the line, it will be at 3/4 of an inch. But I'm going to take a break now because it is 98 degrees in the shade. I'm sweating into my eyes. I'll be dadgummed. That worked. So, there's cut. A little bit of a wiggle room in the line there, but this pine responds very well to chopping like that. So, and this is Douglas fir, so that's the method. Alright, so as you saw on the drawing, I have taken a piece of 4x4, measured it out to 32 1/4, set protractor to 106 degrees, set it against there, marked it off. I've already done that at this end, so I'm measuring from this outside edge to what will be this outside edge, and that makes these parallel. I'm just going to do a test cut right in front of the line to make sure that I've got my angle set. All right. Perfect. So now I'll sneak up on that line. Put that right there. And there we have it. Got a little aggressive with the chisel there, but that'll fill in. Now, before I do anything more, I have to chop the through mortises right here, right where that knot is.